So yun nga, it's been a tough year. Setbacks after setbacks after setbacks, mentally, emotionally, physically. Pero you just really have to pray hard. You know, um, life will throw a lot of things at you. You just really have to be strong mentally, emotionally and physically. It has never been an easy road. And pero yun nga, baby steps. Take things slow, one step at a time. Narinig ko nga, diba? If you can't aim for the stars, aim for the moon. At least you're halfway there. So, tama naman, diba? If you cannot, go for the stars, if you cannot go for your main goal yet, meet it halfway. Aim for the moon first. Then once you're there, then reach for the stars. So, ayun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. From being unhealthy and whatnot, I try to take it slow. I aim for the moon. I'm in the moon right now, and then ngayon, syempre, time to aim higher. Doing this for bodybuilding, my number one passion, and then hoping and planning to compete, and not competitively, pero for experience wise, Spartan race this March sa Orani, Bataan, if I'm not mistaken. It's gonna be a long journey kasi you have to be fit, really fit, not just muscle wise and whatnot. Your cardio should be on on point. Diet wise, there's a different mechanic when doing Spartan races, pero it's a challenge. Right now I'm just really wanting to have more challenges in life, then completing those challenges one step at a time. And then I'll try my best as much possible to update you guys on my journey every step of the way. And ayun, stay focused, strive for greatness, and live on. That's it.